Okay, so today we're going to start with this squat on the Smith machine. I know you usually do your squats a little different.
Yeah. Do I need to be further apart?
Make your feet straight, yeah, like that. So you're just going to sit down. Once you feel it, we'll add some weight to it. Make sure your form is good. Gotta show y'all your butt size done sometimes. You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes you have to pop out.
You gotta pop out and show your kids. You see them quads?
We see him, mother.
See them quads?
We see them.
Okay, we're here. So you want to make sure your feet are shoulder apart.
Okay.
And then I'll stop this shit. I've always had like strong legs, but I don't want my legs any thicker. I just want them more cut. So even though I can lift more than this, I'm just gonna stay here and do more reps rather than lifting super heavy. Caden's gonna attempt the 25s on both sides. How does that feel?
Very happy.
Gonna work that chest. Give it to him, okay? Give it to him. So serious. But after you put it on wrong, now you got it.
I didn't put it on wrong.
We are going to do tricep pull downs.
Okay.
Let's go.
Think this was a good weight?
Yep. Let's see them triceps work. Let's see them triceps work. Yeah, buddy. Slow it down a little bit. Give it to him.
When was the last time you guys got on a swing? For me, it's been a while, so it felt nostalgic just getting back on a swing and having some fun. And I was just thinking about it that I haven't been on one in a while. But a lot of times people ask me if I do get free time to be a kid and if I'm just running my business all day and I don't get to have fun. Well, as you can see, I get to have a lot of fun and I actually get to have more freedom than a normal kid has. Because right now, someone would be in school, but I'm just having fun being on a swing in the middle of the day. This is a message to my fellow wrestling fans. If you guys are big wrestling fans, you should every once in a while support your local wrestling indie promotion. So for me, I'm supporting PCW, which is Platinum Championship Wrestling. They have some really cool wrestlers, and I go to a lot of their shows, and I always have a great time. And sometimes you end up having more fun at the indie shows than you do at a normal show, since they have to worry about time constraints and sticking to a script. But at an indie show, they get to have more freedom and more time freedom. So it's just a lot of fun. Even if you're not a wrestling fan, you should give it a try, because indie wrestling can be really fun. It can have some goofy moments in it, some really athletic moments in it. So you should definitely go and support your local indie wrestling. So guys, right now we are going to PCW, which is Indie Wrestling Platinum Championship Wrestling. We have Kayla, Aiden with us, and where's the other person? You know, I have an idea. I think we have to say his name and he'll appear. You guys
say his name and he appears. I believe in Joe Hendry.
I believe in Joe Hendry.
London and Paris and Tokyo, America, Scotland and Canada and Mexico. They say I believe in Joe Hendry. I believe in Joe Hendry.
So here we are, guys. We're just signing in now with our tickets. My mom over there. The show is about to start, guys. Are you ready?
Let's go. Let's do this.
Are you ready, Caden? So here we go. The intro's playing now. So I was just sitting there watching the show, having some fun and chanting and cheering, and all of a sudden this happened.
Get up, get up! No! Let's go!
Turn his mic
Is this how you do it?
One more time. One more time. One more time.
And one more. One more. One more.
No more. No more. No more. No more. No more. No. No. No more.
One more.
No more. No. No more. No more. No more.
I couldn't hear him.
No more. No more. I can hear it. No more.
Don't let him escape.
Stop. Give him one more.
No more. Yeah. 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 The song's not doing good.
Want to see the song? That boy scared. That boy scared. That boy scared. That boy scared.
Oh! Oh! I feel
You got Cha. Oh.
Hey, yo, what the?
That was Edward Caden. Edward Caden. Summertime, 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 summertime. You suck.
His opponent
Summer?
from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing 240 pounds. He is the Ripper, the top killer, your great
Trey Shaw.
Let's go, Trey Shaw. Let's go, Trey Shaw. Oh, wow. Never mind.
He looks like
Hey, Trey, put him to sleep.
reversal.
2K.
You still suck. You still suck. You still suck.
Let's go.
Let's go, Trey. Let's go. Let's go, Trey. Let's go. Let's go, Trey.
Let's go, Trey.
Come on, Trey. Let's go, Trey! 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 Let's go, Trey!
Let's go, Trey Shaw. Hunter sucks.
Let's go, Trey Shaw. Hunter sucks. Let's go, Trey Shaw. Hunter sucks. Let's go, Trey Shaw. Hunter sucks.
Yeah, that shit hurt. Go back to the gun. Go back to the gun.
And here we actually got to meet some of the wrestlers.
Look at the heat, feel it on me. Coming in hot, the best of the league can't put me on no water on me. Who hotter than summer? Look at the heat, feel it on me. Coming in hot, the best of the league can't put me on no water on me. Who hotter than summer?
It's summertime. It's summertime. Nobody know what time it is. It's summertime.
So today I'm doing what's called a karate private. That's where you're either by yourself or with a small group of other people, and sensei comes in and they help you really practice your technique and help you learn some new moves. So I'm about to show you my karate private that I did with Master Lawrence Ray. And that concludes the end of this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, if Caden can, you can too.